You know what I'm saying? We're gonna do this Angry Birds thing.
Ah, shit.
Angry Bird. Blue. I got an Angry Bird. It's a big chicken. I got an Angry Bird. God damn. I got an Angry Bird. The realest. I got an Angry Bird. I got an Angry Bird. I got an Angry Bird.
I didn't get down because I don't want to make her like think I'm doing something to her.
I got an Angry Bird. I got an Angry Bird. I got an Angry Bird. I freaking know. Hey, Tito, you better stop slacking and catch up. We're behind y'all.
Tito's ends it. It's so cute, ain't it?
See some. Yeah. Why you got it backwards?
Because it's better backwards.
No, it's not. That don't record me.
Yeah.
Tito, record me, dog. Man, you little bitch. You
Okay,
know that?
We're done recording now.
You know that? Look
No.
at you.
Stop, bud.
Look
Stop,
at you.
bud.
Look. Look. Boy got the orange Nikes, the shitted pants. Oh, black ass elbows. Mm-hmm.
Jerry, Department 11, Diane, Department 40 count, Michelle 4. Danny, I need to read all the count. Thank you.
Shit. I got an Angry Bird. People so mean these days, man. Check. I got an Angry Bird. There's a garden center back here. I got an Angry Bird. Got an Angry Bird, dude. Check it. Seems like ass and onions in here. I got an Angry Bird. It's the realest. Fuck you too, man. It's Facebook right here. Straight Facebook. Tyler need a new haircut, just saying. What? Ah! Man, stop playing like that. That's why you adopted. Come on. Stop messing around and stuff. Check my Angry Bird. It's blue. It's very neato. The life of queers in the corner. Just playing. I got an Angry Bird. It's blue. The realest. Okay, Angry Bird.
Glycerine kills 99.9%.
Damn. That's nasty. Where y'all going? I think y'all just gonna leave me like that? I didn't put my Facebook picture up there. I got an angry bird. Very pretty. Yeah, you thought you lost me, but you didn't, because, you know, I got a GPS in my head. Tito went to get his herpes medicine. I got an angry bird. I got an angry bird. Very nice. See those bitch ass over there? They left me by myself. Hey, check this angry bird out. You know what I'm saying? It's off the realest right here. I got an angry bird. Off the realest. I got an angry bird. Yeah, angry bird. Off the realest. Check that out. I got an angry bird. It look nice, right? Very nice. I swear to God, someone's gonna punch the shit out of me. Keep telling me it's this. Well, don't put the food there. Shit, just that's simple. I got an angry bird. Man, people are mean. So, shout out to the cameras, Tito. Give a shout out. You too, Tyler.
Hey, bro.
I got an angry bird. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. I got an angry bird. She nice. She gave me congratulations. Congratulations. That's what you call purple balls. It's not healthy. It's a new disease Tito made up. Turn, walk. Turn, walk again. Man, y'all gotta back me up. Come on, man. Somebody gotta record me.
You got it?
Yes, man. Come on, man. Gary. And Frozen. I didn't even know that was her name. I got an angry bird. Very pretty. Your mama's weird. I was just playing, man. Chill out. What we doing in the same place over here? Watch this. Ooh. Whew. I got an angry bird, sir. Check it. That's the realest. We real out here. You better start slacking. I got an angry bird. It's cool, right? Want it? Find it and we can give it to you anyways. I got an angry bird. Gotcha. Say hello to the camera. Yeah. I got an angry bird. Excuse me. I got an angry bird. Yeah. That's not what I asked. Tito! Yeah. What happened? She had a big dome? Yeah, down there. Why you gotta get fight for it? Hey, I got the angry bird, you know what I'm saying? The realest. Ooh, nice couples. I got an Angry Bird. You need 5 eggs. I'm just saying. Bitch ass niggas left me. Wait, man, why you always leaving me, man? I'm gonna make a hit. Make a hit off this video. I just don't know it. I got an Angry Bird. I got an Angry Bird. Acha? Nasty. Shit. Cause she Mexican. She beat my ass. These old couples won't do nothing. No, cause I know white people, the old ones ain't gonna do nothing. I mean, if they else want, hey, Angry Bird, you know what I'm saying? Oh, she like that SpongeBob. I got an Angry Bird. Don't make me mad, cause I will get angry. I like that. Oh, so what you trying to say is Angry Bird? You're making him mad. You know that?
Sorry.
Look what he's gonna do. Ah, look. Ooh, got you in the nuts. Come on, guys, stop stealing things. Tito, did they ever call you for your herpes medicine? You got an Angry Bird. Don't make me mad. Watch this. Nah, he's too old. Angry Bird. Fuck you too, then. I got an Angry Bird. Very neato. Or hip. Tyler and Tito done left me.